LA County Parks is proud of our long-standing partnership with our Conservation Corps. Since 2016, together with our Conservation Corps, we have completed 150 park projects, from working on trails, deferred maintenance, and building new parks. And this year, thank you to the Board of Supervisors and the CEO, we received one-time funding to invest $1 million in our urban tree canopy. And we're working with our Conservation Corps to improve our tree health.
Conservation work allows the public to get a view of what it is to be working in an outdoor setting, and also just to give them access to outdoor areas and recreational activities.
We are right now in the San Fernando area. Our mission for this park is to clear out the creek.
We're creating more space for other native species. For example, we have some native white sage coming along the creek, so we're making sure to create enough space for it to grow further.
And as well as to restore the park, help with the native plants that need to be helped, and as well as to do brush clearance.
There's always bikers around this area. They like, riding their dirt bikes on their trails and stuff. So, we try to put as many fences as we can to stop it. Unfortunately, they always try to find a way to destroy our things, but we come right back.
I'm currently going to graduate in about 2-3 months. And I feel like that's one of my biggest goals that I wanted to come to this job for.
Through this partnership, young adults and youth are gaining job skills while working on LA County Park projects. And I'm very proud that through the PLACE program, former Conservation Corps youth are now LA County full-time park staff. On behalf of the visitors and staff of LA County Parks, I'd like to thank the leadership of the Conservation Corps for their collaboration. Thank you, Los Angeles Conservation Corps. Thank you, San Gabriel Valley Conservation Corps. Thank you, Conservation Corps of Long Beach. Thank you, California Conservation Corps. And thank you to our newest conservation member, the Tihuaca Tribal Conservation Corps. Thank you for all the good work.